Hi, hello friends. Today we are going to install VS Code in our laptop. How to install? Let's see in this video. First go to the Chrome and search VS Code install or VS Studio Code. Whatever you type, the website has shown it will come. Go to the Windows. If you have Mac, go to the Mac version. If you have I have Windows, that's why I gone through the Windows. The download of VS Code user setup is started. Left down corner, it is extension of VS Code. First we have to install that. Only to install VS Code in our system, it will take maximum so much of time. It depends on your internet speed or where you are living. After installing it, open and I accept the agreement. Click on that and click on next. If you want to read that, you can read. It is showing the location where the VS Code is going to store. Next, it is showing what name you want to save. By default it will save Visual Studio Code. If you want other name, you can keep. Here I am going to write my code and click on next. If you want your VS Code icon on desktop, you can click on show the icon on desktop. Here's create a desktop icon, you can click on that. If you want automatic menu at VS Code, you can click on that other options, and after clicking that, you can click next. Click on install. After some time, it will install successfully in your system. It is also same, it depends on your internet speed. Please connect to the Wi-Fi wherever if available. If not available, you can manage with your mobile data only, because we are going to install it in laptop or PC. It will take lot of time to install it. Through mobile data, through Wi-Fi you can install within less period of time. Finally, it is going